Yeah, we get that question asked all the time. Every time that we go on sales calls, is we just want one detergent. We just want one detergent. Too many times, it's just difficult to do. Some cases we always try to come with a single source solution if we possibly can, because we understand the cost implications and the timing that it takes to validate a cleaning detergent. We're well aware of that. However, we want to make sure that we're going to optimize and recommend the proper formula detergent for that application. We try to limit as much as we possibly can, but the end goal is to achieve a repeatable and a validatable state of a cleaning state in your processes. And sometimes that means you may need more than one cleaning detergents or formula detergents.